for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 LARIAT in ruby red metallic with black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's a 4x4 and it's also an automatic transmission. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It has a technology package which includes a 360 split view camera, as well as navigation, backup camera, and it also has a twin panel moonroof. It has a sport package which has a center console and the body colored grille, and it's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, as well as a grab handle and running board to help you get in. On the face of the steering wheel, there's a dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. So you've got My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have the B&O badging for your audio system and a little bin. You also have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. There's your 360 camera, so you have the different views. You just touch through. Auto stop start for less idle time. And then we can get back to our menu here. You can touch on the screen, so for audio you can go into your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You can go into the climate. You're going to see you have dual climate control for driver and passenger. You also have your navigation. Your map will come up. This is voice activated. And as well, when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see the backup camera view. There you go. And you also have your settings. You can slide through there for different options. Things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay. You can change the look of your screen and so forth. There's your volume and tuner, and down below is the climate control. So there's your dual climate control with heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. There's the fan, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and an integrated trailer brake controller. And in the cubby, a couple of USB outlets. Just press in the center, it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode. And as you press through and toggle, you'll see it appear on your dash, drive mode normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And there's a couple of cup holders there with ambient lighting at the bottom, and that's the rings you're seeing on the bottom there. There's your lane keeping and park assist. Your armrest opens up, and there's lots of room in there. You can take the little bin out. There's a 12 volt down below, and then you just close that up when you don't want to have it open. 12 volt and 110 off to the side. You have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls and sunglass holder. There's a power sliding window in the back, and that's what that's for. And you also have a twin panel moonroof, so when you press that, it'll slide open. Your screen is also powered, so you can control the light and air. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, making it easier to get in. Mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle with intelligent access. So when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have a keyless entry keypad. On the driver's side, there's capless easy fuel gas filler. In the back, the body colored handle extends to the tailgate. Just below the handle is your backup camera, and the tailgate is lockable and removable. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up the tailgate, you just double click your fob and it'll power it down for you. You've got this nice drop-in liner with tie downs in all 4 corners, box link, as well a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You have this little tab at the base. You just pull that and then lift the seat up. It gives you more room on the floor. And then when you want to bring it back down, pull the tab again, pull down, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. An armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. You have an all-weather mat for easy cleanup on the floor, plus extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents on either side. And those little red seats are the heated seats for back here. You've got a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting, You've got the twin panel moonroof up above, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system. You have LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.